Welcome, my dear student. I think you are all quite well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Our former class activities has been remained closed since 17 March due to pandemic of coronavirus COVID-19. That's why our government has arranged online video class. You are all requested to watch the video classes. The student, you are all welcome on my video class. Introduction. Welcome, my dear student. Introduction. Teacher's identity. I am MD Abdul Gofur Gazi, Headmaster, Madhugram High School, Dumuria, Khulna. Mobile 01717287969. Email gazigofur73@gmail.com. Class identity. Class 9-10. English for today. Unit-12. Lesson-1. Dear student, today I shall discuss with you class 9-10 English for today Unit-12 Lesson-1. Dear student, learning outcome. What will learn after this reading this lesson? After this lesson, we will be able to learn some new words and use them, make question using WH word, write answer of simple questions, present own ideas, give a ask for information. Dear student, what do you see in the picture? There are two pictures. We see there are two pictures. Look at the above pictures and answer the question. Number 1. What do the pictures indicate? What is this? No, what do the pictures indicate? There are two pictures. What are the most important part of a tree? Do you know what is the important part of a tree? A tree, there are two trees. I think root is the most important part of the tree, because if the tree, if there is no root, the tree will die, and the root supplies necessity water. The root supplies necessity water. That's why root is the main part of a tree. The student, what do you see in the picture? There are two pictures. Number 1, do the babies have roots? Picture 1, do the baby have root. Picture 2. Who or what their roots. Who and what their roots. The student. Picture 1. We see two innocent kids. Two innocent kids. Picture 2. There is a child with his parents. There is a child with his parents, all of them laughing and smiling face. All are laughing and smiling faces. Restaurant. Do you think what is the difference between two pictures? Who is the root of this child? That's why the child is laughing with his parents, father, mother. And picture 1, we see two kids. One kid is crying and other looks very anxious with perhaps he is looking someone, but he is look for someone, he is waiting for someone. And this kid is crying, he needs love, affection, sympathy, etc. I think. Number 1. Do the baby have root? Number 2. Picture 1. Do the baby have roots? Is their father, mother present here? Or the relatives, their kids and kids, their nears and dears, their blood connected people are present here? No. Number 2. Who or what their roots? Their father, mother is present here, and the baby is smiling with his father, face, smiling face with his father, mother. All are all are happy in the picture. The father, mother is the root of the child. You understand? The father, mother is the root of the child. Student, today our today's lesson is my roots. We shall discuss my roots. What is my roots? Who are they? Unit-12, Lesson-1. The student, in this chapter we will learn some vocabs, new words. Do you know the meaning of the word pull? Pull means draw. Pull means draw. They are pulling. He is pulling. Pull. To apply force, to draw. To apply force or to draw. Pull means to apply force, to draw. Identity. Who am I? And what is his identity? And there is a note of interrogation question here. He asked, who am I? Identity means selfhood, a name, an individual. Identity means selfhood, a name, an individual. The student. context. Do you know the meaning of the word context? Context mean the text, the surrounding and environment. The text, the surrounding and environment. Reading. What do you see in the picture? The two boys is embracing with each other during the occasion of Eid. I think all are Muslims. Picture 2, this picture has taken Sarodiya Durga. There is a picture. There is a picture. This picture has taken. It is related to Hindus religion, Durga Puja. The student. How to see in the picture? We see there is a boat on the river. The boat is crowded with overpopulation, and we see there is a train. The train is crowded with overpopulation. People are in these two pictures. People are returning home because of their full of roots. In the occasion of Eid-ul Fitr or Durga Puja, Christmas Day, to observe the function, our near and dear who who living far and near, who live far and near from the house, they all come towards, come rushed come rushed home because of the full of roots. What is their root? Why they come back with risky in transport, buses and lunches? They are all coming in the risks of life. There is no seat in lunches and trains, but they are they all are coming to meet with their nears and dears, to meet with their father, wife, children, mother, neighbors, etc. They are full of roots. They come rushed, full of their root. The student picture we see that many people are overcrowded on the train. They are all overcrowded. Crowded train trip. We see the picture crowded train trip. The student we see there are four picture. Picture one, rootless tree. Is the tree alive? There is no leaf. That's why the tree is dried. So the tree is called rootless tree. Picture two, rootless person. How it is possible? Rootless person rootless person. The tree is dead because rootless tree. In that why the people are rootless because they are passing they have passing a miserable life. They have know their near and dear, their father and mother. That's why rootless person. Picture 3 rootless person. Rootless person, rootless person. We see the picture rootless person. Rootless people. Rootless people, those people who are শরণার্থী বলা হয় শরণার্থী, they are all, I think they are all শরণার্থী. They are rootless people. They migrate from one place to another, leaving their nears and dears. That's why they are rootless. They migrate. They have to migrate. For example, Rohingya has migrated to Kutupalong at Coxbazar in Bangladesh. They are rootless people. Dear student, read the text with some speech bubbles. Read the text, the speech bubbles, make question for them and compare in pairs. Eid means happiness. Eid is the main religious festival of Muslims in Bangladesh. In that sense, our family's land of birth, relatives, our culture, tradition, or surroundings are our roots. The student, have you find what is our roots? Our families, land of birth, relatives, our culture, tradition, surroundings are our roots. On the contrary, our root, it's a root that develops our identity, making us what we are. Our root proves our identity, that develop our identity, making us what we are. That's right. Fill the guild with appropriate information from the text. We see there are two columns that makes our root, what makes our root, what things makes our root, and what is the problem of rootless person. The problem of rootless person and what makes our root. There are 5 points about root or rootless. Rootless people or rootless people. Do remember what are these? What are these makes our roots or rootless person? That makes our roots family, in-laws, friends, neighbor, birthland and growing land. Family, in-laws, friends, neighbors, birth land and growing land is our roots. Here we also remember our world famous poem in Bengali literature রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর ফিরে হলো মাটির টানে আমি মাটির টানে মাটির কোলে ফিরে যেতে চাই there his roots in neighbor friend surrounding is our root on the contrary problem of rootless no identity divide our values divide our humanity divide of social responsibilities feelings of empties is called rootless person the person who have no who have possesses who have not possesses such a thing is called rootless person বাংলায় বলে ছিন্নমূল বিপুল the student homework make a survey and present in a graph for chart the types of roots your neighbors have. It is your homework. You will develop this with your own words, more than 100 or words. Thank you, dear student. No more today. See you again.